Volkswagens often get a bad rap for being tough to maintain. Some even avoid the brand entirely because of this, thinking the upkeep is too complicated or expensive. But I can tell you, as someone who spent countless hours wrenching on these cars, this reputation is more myth than reality. Yes, VWs have their quirks, but with the right approach, you can tackle most maintenance tasks yourself and even enjoy the process. All you need is the right mindset and a bit of preparation. One of the biggest misconceptions about Volkswagens is that they're overly complex and difficult to work on. This idea alone can scare off would-be DIYers before they even pop the hood. The reality is, while VWs are engineered with precision, they're not some insurmountable challenge people claim them to be, other than the W12, V10 TDI, and crazy outliers like that. Spark plugs, oil changes, replacing a blower motor, these are tasks that might seem like they have some weird German twist that comes with them, but in truth, these jobs are more straightforward and far less frustrating than those on other brands. Volkswagen's design language typically makes these tasks easier than expected. It's all about understanding what you're getting into and making sure you have the right tools on hand. If you're worried about diving in, you're certainly not without help. The internet is a goldmine of resources. Online forums, Facebook groups, YouTube tutorials, and factory service manuals can be invaluable for tackling VW maintenance and repairs. I'll link some of these resources below to help you get started. Another common concern is the availability and cost of parts. Some people think finding parts for a Volkswagen is a hassle, especially if you need them quickly. But if you own a common Volkswagen model, you can usually get what you need the same or next day from your dealership. While prices can be expensive from the dealership, they're not your only option. In situations where you can wait a day or two, maybe do expedited shipping, online retailers like FCP Euro offer OE and OEM parts at much more reasonable prices. Not only do they match or exceed the quality of dealership parts, but they also come with perks like lifetime replacement guarantees on everything, including consumables like oil, filters, spark plugs, and wiper blades. This means you can keep your VW running smoothly without draining your bank account. It's true that Volkswagens sometimes require specialized tools for specific jobs, but this isn't unique to VW. Many modern cars are designed with certain tools in mind, and it's something you'll encounter no matter what you're wrenching on. The good news is that these tools are generally affordable and easy to find online or at stores like Harbor Freight. If you're planning to do most of the maintenance yourself, investing in a few specialized tools can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. Plus, it's a small price to pay compared to what you would spend at a regular repair shop. And don't forget, many auto parts stores offer tool rental programs so you can borrow what you need without making a big upfront investment. Despite the rumors, maintaining a Volkswagen can be a highly rewarding experience. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from knowing that you've taken care of the vehicle that takes care of you. Volkswagens are built to last, and the effort you put in today will pay off in the long run as your car continues to run smoothly for years to come. Beyond that, doing your own maintenance allows you to form a deeper connection with your car. Each job, whether big or small, teaches you more about how your car operates, and this knowledge makes you a better, more confident owner. It's not just about saving money, it's about the pride of ownership and the joy of driving something you've personally turned a few wrenches on. If you're new to DIY car maintenance, start with the basics. Begin with the routine tasks like oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug changes. These are all manageable jobs that will give you a feel for how your VW is put together. As you gain confidence, you can move on to more complex tasks like brakes, suspension, etc. The key is to take advantage of the wealth of resources available online. Countless forums, videos, and guides have been created by other enthusiasts who have been in your shoes. Whether you're troubleshooting a specific issue or looking for general advice, the VW community is a valuable resource that can make your DIY journey smoother and more enjoyable. Volkswagen maintenance doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right tools, a little patience, and a willingness to learn, you can equip yourself to handle most, if not all, of the work yourself. Don't let the myths about complexity and cost keep you from experiencing the satisfaction of maintaining your own car and owning a Volkswagen. Embrace the challenge, and you'll find that owning a VW is not only enjoyable, but also rewarding and inexpensive.